Welcome to the Sellora tutorial video. In this video, we'll see how to add variations in a bulk product listing. Let's dive in. Start by visiting to your seller dashboard. Locate the top navigation bar. Click on Listing, then select Add Catalog. Choose Bulk Catalog Upload to continue. You'll now be directed to the Create Your Catalog page. Under the Download and Upload Spreadsheet section, you have two options. First, click Download Templates to access Sellora's official bulk listing format. Once selected, choose the appropriate product category and brand name. Your customized template will then be ready for download. Open the file and begin entering your product details. Make sure to fill in all the mandatory fields under the Product Information section. Once done, move on to the Variations section, where you can add different versions of your product by entering the required details. Start by selecting Yes for adding variations. Then, follow these steps. Choose variant type. For example, color, size. Enter color and size. Provide a unique group ID and SKU. Set the listing status to either active or draft. Enter the MSRP. Set the consumer sale price. Set the business sale price. Enter the available stock. Choose the currency. Select the condition type. Variant image, select. Yes. Add the variant image URL. Once you've added all details for one variation, you can continue adding more by repeating the same steps below. After completing the file, save it and upload it on the Create Your Catalog page. You'll see a message confirming, Products imported successfully. Next, click on Listing from the top navigation bar. Select My Listing to view your listed products. And that's how your product and its variations will appear on Sellora. Thanks for watching. For more such tutorials, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.